So what's up guys, check out how much I actually made right here, which is about $62.73, actually using a very simple and unique strategy right now. And guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you could go into promoting your CPA marketing offers with the help of this particular platform right here, which is called the Vocal Media. And this is actually going to be an amazing strategy which you can actually go on to using and maximizing your income right here, as you're actually going to be earning on two platforms right there, which is actually the CPA marketing platform and also the Vocal Media platform right here. So do stick onto this video, watch this video to the end and learn this strategy and go on to replicating that even as a beginner in the year 2023 and beyond. And guys, with that being said and no more delay of time, let's jump right ahead into today's video. But before we do that, if you're actually new to my channel right here, I basically post videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online using the help of some other AI tools out there. So why not just simply go on to checking out my videos if you actually do like such content. And if you do like such content, those videos will actually be helpful to you in going on to boosting your income online right now. So with that being said guys, let's go jump right ahead into today's video. So first of all guys, if you are not familiar with this particular platform called Vocal Media, this is actually an amazing platform which is actually similar to the medium.com. And with this particular platform called Vocal Media, you can actually go into writing and creating some cool and amazing stories. And once you do write some cool stories right here, people that actually do come on to reading these particular stories are actually going to be paying to read that story right there. But guys, the cool thing right here is that you do get reward for your write-ups on this particular platform based on the amount of views which you actually do get right now for that particular article which you do go on to writing on this particular platform. So if you actually do go on to platforms like Google right now, and if I do go on to Google and search for the amount which you do get paid for every view right now on Vocal Media, so right here guys, you can see the Vocal Media earnings per view right now. You can actually do earn per 1,000 views on Vocal Media, and for the regular Vocal Media creators you do earn up to about $3.80, but for the Vocal Plus creators you do go on to earning about $6 right now for every 1,000 views which you do get to any post of your choice right here. And this is actually quite amazing right now. You could just simply come right here to this platform called Vocal.media and actually do go on to signing up for absolutely free on this particular platform. So if you do sign up for free right now, you should be given this option on using this particular platform right now, and you just want to come right here, click on create story. If you do click on create story, you should be brought to this section where you can actually do go on to inputting a title, a subtitle, and adding the text right here which you want to just simply go on to promoting. And you can actually do go on to utilizing another AI tool out there to actually help you with all these. You can make use of this particular AI tool called ChatGPT to actually do go on to helping you generating some cool and amazing content which you can actually do go on to rewarding later on right now. So with ChatGPT right now, you can just simply ask ChatGPT to write an article on the benefits of education, and if I do click on enter right now, you can see ChatGPT actually went on to writing a simple and cool article right now. You can see right here it came up with the title, which is the transformative power of education right here. I can just simply copy that section right now and head back to this particular Vocal Media page right now and actually do go on to pasting that as a title. For the subtitle guys, I'm just going to go on to this particular that exact same post right there, or that particular write-up which ChatGPT actually wrote right now. I'm just going to copy this other section right now and actually do go on to using that in form of a subtitle right now. So if I do go on to adding that as a form of a subtitle right here, as you can see how cool that has actually been added right now. You can then just simply go on to maybe writing up a text and inserting in this section. And guys, ChatGPT has actually done that job for me right now. What you want to do is to just simply come right here from this introduction section and below. You want to just simply go on to highlighting that particular text right there. So if I do come right here and highlight this particular text right now, so guys, you can see the text has actually been highlighted. I'm just gonna head back to Vocal Media right now and actually do go on to paste in that text right in here. But guys, yes, you can see this text has actually been pasted, but what you want to make sure you do go on to focusing on is that, guys, you want to just simply use this particular platform to promote your CPA marketing offers. And like I said, how do you do this? Is that you want to just simply go to chip in your CPA marketing offers on any article which you do write on this platform. Maybe at the ending of this section, you could just simply add in a simple call to action right there, or at the middle of this particular stuff right now, or this article, you can add in a simple call to action directing individuals right there to go on to getting your CPA marketing offers or clicking on your CPA marketing offer right now. So basically, guys, you want to just simply come right here to any CPA marketing platform of your choice. You could use CPAgrip, CPA Build, the Max Bounty, the OG Ads, or any other CPA marketing platform out there. So basically with that, you want to just simply go to clicking on register, create a simple account on this platform right now, and you want to just simply go on to getting an offer right now. So guys, once you do come right here to this section, you could filter your offers to any country of your choice. Maybe I want to promote my offers to the United States demographic. I can actually do filter that to that particular demographic right now, and I can then just simply see offers available to that demographic right in here. So basically what you want to do is to actually do go on to maybe just simply clicking on one of the offer, and you can just simply copy the link to the offer right now. If you want to just simply go on to promoting that right now with this particular article on Vocal Media. So basically what you want to do is to just simply go on to chip in a simple call to action right here. You could also use this particular AI tool called ChatGPT to write a call to action. So I'm just going to ask ChatGPT to write a very short call to action. So right now, guys, I asked ChatGPT to write a simple and short call to action, and ChatGPT has done that. I can then just simply copy this text, head back to this particular Vocal Media platform, and at the end right here, I could then just simply put in something like giveaway, paste in this particular text right in here, and you can then just simply go on to inserting the text, that CPA marketing offer in this section. But before you do add in that, make sure you go on to creating a landing page for that CPA marketing offer and add in this particular section right now. Once you are done, you then want to just simply move on to the top. As you can see right here, guys, you cannot submit for review. To submit for review, you actually need to add a title, a subtitle, plus a featured image or video right now. So for that particular image or video, I'm just going to come right here, use the Unsplash, and for this section right now, I'm just going to put in something like education. So if I do click on enter right now, guys, it's actually going to show me a lot of images that are actually related to this particular text, which I actually did writing right here. So guys, the Unsplash image is actually having some difficulty loading, so I'm just going to upload one from my device right now. If I do come right here, once I do click on upload, I can actually do select the image which I actually want to upload right there, and actually do go on to uploading that right now on this particular section. But you can actually do see that this is actually a random image right here. I can actually do go on to selecting another random image. This is actually an image for a CPA marketing offer right now. You could just simply go on to add in an image right there. Make sure you do add in a very cool image that drives traffic to that right now, and you then want to just simply click on save changes. And if you do click on save changes, guys, you can actually do go on to posting your ad or submitting your job right now. So if you actually do go on to submitting your this particular article, you can actually do go on to filling out a little form which will be shown for that to actually go onto the review phase. And once that actually is done, has been reviewed, your article will now be posted right here. And like I said, you're going to be earning on two ways. You'll be earning on Vocal Media right here, and you'll also be earning from CPAgrip once you do get conversions to this offer right now. And the cool thing about this Vocal Media platform is that, guys, you actually do go on to gaining access to a lot more bonuses right now on this particular platform. As you can see right here, you do get a bonus of $5 for your 5th published piece on this platform. You get a bonus of $10 for your 10th published piece, $50 for your 50th published piece right now, and the list keep going on and on some cool and amazing amount which you can actually do start earning on this platform called Linktree, or the Vocal Media right here. So guys, with all this right now, you can actually start making a lot of money and actually start boosting your income or maximizing your income online with CPA marketing right here and the Vocal Media in the year 2023 and beyond. I hope this video was helpful. If yes, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and ensure your notification bell was turned on all. See you all in my next video, guys. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.